Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ojasvitaa and So in today's video, I'll show you how to connect Outlook Mail in your cloud platform integration. So I'm using Outlook Mail here because it is widely used in the business purpose. So guys, let's start. And before that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It motivates me a lot to make such amazing contents for you all. So do subscribe. I have created one Outlook Mail account for the demo purpose. Next, I'll go to my cloud integration platform. Here, I'll go to security materials. Next, I'll select the create, and from the drop down, I'll select the user credentials. So this type of screen will be visible to you. So you can give any name. So here I am providing the name as Ojas Training. You have to remember this name. Next, I'll give the description. In the user, you have to give the email ID of the Outlook and you have to provide the password, whatever you use to log in the Outlook mail, and next you have to click on the deploy. Next, I'll go to the connectivity test. So I'll go to SMTP. So for the host, I'll go to my Outlook mail account, and here I'll go to settings, view out all Outlook settings, and here I'll go to the sync mail. When you'll scroll down, you can see the SMTP settings. So here is the server name, so you have to copy that and paste it in the host. Next, for the port, you can see we have 587 and the start TLS. So I'll keep it plain user and password and search my credential name. Then I'll send it. So here my email is connected in my cloud platform. So next I'll create one iflow as well. So here I'm deleting the sender. Then I'll add one content modifier here. So in the body I'll write some text. So I'll give it constant because I'm not using any expressions. Next I'll connect my mail adapter to the receiver. So in the address I'll provide the same server name in the Outlook. So I'll paste it here, and in the credential name I'll put the name I have written. So it was Ojas Training. In the authentication I'm giving plain user and password because I have chose that earlier. And to and from I'll just write the same email ID because I'm testing it. So in mail body also you can write it whatever you want. So I want to just connect my content modifier whatever I have wrote there, and in the security I don't need any security, so I'll just let it be like that. So in the connection you can choose mandatory or optional protection as well. So here I'll just choose optional. Mandatory will also work fine. So I'll delete my start because I'm not connecting any sender system. So I'll place a timer over here. So in the timer I'll schedule it to run once. And now I'll deploy my iflow. So you can see it is starting, and you can also check it in the monitor section. So here it is started, and you can see I have received one mail. So this is how you connect the Outlook account with your cloud platform. So this is how you can connect the Outlook mail account in your cloud platform integration. Thank you for watching.